Hey folks, back, and thought maybe I'd give you a follow-up on the old 2019 Ford Edge I kindly call Lilu. Yeah, she's going back. I've had her for a while now, and I'm basically waiting to get Blueberry back, the 2011 Ford Edge that had all the damage from the hail. That's right. And thought maybe I'd go over why is Lilu going back. And they also did tell me that this last Friday, because today's Saturday, that they would give me a call and I'd be able to get Lilu or Blueberry back. And they never called me, and today's Saturday, so maybe Monday. But in the meantime, let's go over why Lilu is going back, and I'll show you exactly why, and hopefully you can see it in the sun, because I'm going to raise this up and show you all what the roof looks like. Because quite frankly, it looks like my 10-year-old buffed it. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Hopefully the video will show it in the sunlight, and you guys can see what actually happened as far as the buffing. So let's go ahead and check this out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're going to go over. It's a little dusty, but you should be able to see some markings in the paint where it was buffed, and it just looks horrible. As far as I'm concerned, it just looks horrible. It does need a little bit of a cleaning up, as they say. So we're going to go ahead and get her taken back and get something done about that. But that is not the only thing. The other thing is that I had the problem with is this thing behind me here. Yes, the hatch doesn't want to close all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and have them fix that, because it isn't 100% assured, and I'll show you why it's not closing. I mean, it's really attention to detail is all it is, but hey, we're going to go ahead and get them to see if they can't align this thing a little better. Now if you look at it, you can see very, very quickly. Look at all the way up here. Look how close all that is. Everything down there. Okay, now let's go over to this side. Look at that. Look at the gap on that. Yes, you can see that they didn't align it well. They need to scooch it over just a little bit, because who knows, if it's a misalignment or whatever, it's going to cause some problems. The other thing is that we want to go inside and look at is I was really not happy with. So let me release this here a bit. And I don't know if you guys can see the headliner, but if you look all the way up here, there's fingerprints over here and all the way over here, and then in the back you can see it right there in the back by the speaker, just above the speaker, in a few other locations inside. They really didn't do a good job. Look at that right there. Got big old dark fingerprints everywhere. Some more here. Just not a good job. Big old black smudge. I was invited the oil change guy over to come clean things up. I don't know, but that I'm not happy with either, because I gave it to him clean. I expect it to be back clean, but yeah, not a good thing, as they always say. But anywho, I'm experimenting with my selfie stick here. What do you guys think? Yeah, I have a tripod that has a selfie stick in it. I decided for once to try it out. It's also meant to be like a straight thing. So anyway, a little bit different take on things. I also have some drone video of the roof that I may slide around here a little bit after this video so you can see what they did there. But overall, that's why she's going back. They have to do some touch-ups and some rework in order to get things going, but maybe Monday, I don't know. I'm waiting for Blueberry to get back, and once Blueberry's back, then of course this 2019 will be taken and dropped off, and we'll pick up Blueberry. And then also we can get rid of this. Yes, wife's been driving it. She hasn't really complained. To her it's just a car, so it is what it is. She doesn't like it because when it goes into the driveway, it grinds every time she goes into our driveway approach because it's just too steep for it. So that's why we don't own cars. Cars can't fit in the driveway. That's just the way it is. But it's a Ford Edge update. Lilu. I probably should get a license plate on her eventually. I got that downstairs, so I'll have to get that installed. And the other problem I have, I gotta see what is happening here. Holy cow. It's always something. But I have no front license plate bracket, and I'm probably just going to drive without the front license plate on until somebody that can give me tickets tells me I probably need to install it. But other than that, yeah, hopefully they can do it. You can even see some of these things in the sun just from right here in the roof. So anyway, that's the update. Well, folks, this is Mac T, and of course, Mac T's Garage. Remember, like, subscribe, join, all that good stuff, the Facebook group, and also YouTube channels. And, hey, my feet at the Ford Day, I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day, too. And Mercy Girl's got a couple one-liners, along with the Band of Ones, going to play some great music. And I might throw a little bit of raw footage of my drone flights with my new Mavic Mini. And I do post some videos up on a few channels that I have there, the Mavic Mini first flight and all that good stuff. So if you want to see that, by all means check it out, because I got a new channel. It's called Auto Everything with Mac T. So that's the new YouTube channel. Try it out.
Thank you for watching Mac T's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.